Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own blog website on Wix.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. I wanted to say that creating an account is completely free, and it's free forever. You just need to use your email address and a suitable password. And I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. That's what we need. And now you can bring your ideas to life with AI. That's a Wix feature. It's pretty interesting, but we don't really need this. It's pretty easy to set up without chat, just using templates. I will show it. So now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. And of course it is blog website, just type in blog. And yes, let's pick this one and click continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. And the next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it just my blog, just for an example, and continue. We don't really need this. Our goals, it's unnecessary for our website because we will using templates, so I just can skip it, but you can feel free to use it if you want and if you need. And the same with this one, Instagram feed. We don't need this because we are creating only blog website, but as always you can feel free to use this if you want. And now we are all set. Continue to dashboard. And now we are back to our dashboard. We can see that we still have 4 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. It's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design site, the main part, the most interesting part. And like I already said, we won't use AI help. We will do this by ourselves. Wix.com has a lot of templates, and I'm sure we will choose the exact we want. For example, you are having blog, just your personal life blog, and we can do like this. Click blog, personal blog. Or if your blog about food, travel, news, business, arts, fashion, sports, just feel free to customize this. Or you can choose blank templates. It's pretty clear, without anything almost, and feel free to use this and edit how you want. But today I'm gonna choose personal blog. I really like this one. I can view it, just check how it looks like, and yeah, I pretty like it. So let's choose exact this one. Back to templates and click edit. Now we need to wait until everything loads. Alright, and so everything is ready. Almost everything. Yes, now we can move on. on the most interesting part. Here you can zoom it if you think it's pretty small. And the most important part here, pages. You can manage pages. You have a site menu, about, my blog, contact, blog pages. And for an example, I don't want this home page. I don't want to have it. So just click in here and delete. Now it looks like that. Let's do this zoom. Now we wanted to, for example, edit header. Double click on it. For example, your blog and like your business have your own logo, and you wanted to put your logo right here. So you can double click on it, backspace, and add elements, image, upload image. By using this, you can upload it from your computer and you will have your own logo right here in the header section. Or if you don't have your own logo, you can just add your name or the name of your blog, like this one, backspace, oh, not backspace, and now backspace, and like name of your blog. You can change font size because it's extremely large, I think, and just like this. Yeah, I think that suits. And for example, I wanna make a contact page. Clicking add section, contact, and let's choose this one. Pretty simple. Drag and drop, and you'll have it. For example, I wanted to have a social bar, yeah, right here. And how to make it a link? It's pretty easy. Just double click and no, where it is? I forgot. Yes, set social links right here. Title, and here you have your exact link to your social media page, whatever you want. Your email, double click, write your email, phone, address, whatever you want. You can have your own image, like double click, edit image. We not really edit it, we need to change it. So double click. No, cancel. We need this button, manage media, but we don't have this. Cut, add elements, image, upload your own image, and here you will have your own photo. So I think in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using the site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.